Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the job safe and accessible. First, turn the ignition off and disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts. Next, open the boot and remove only the trim fasteners needed to reach the tail lamp. Work efficiently. Save clips in a container. Once the lamp housing is visible, remove the small screws or nuts with a Phillips and 8mm socket. Now, you can gently pull the lamp assembly outward to clear the body lip and expose the bulb holder. You'll now handle the bulb safely and accurately. Grasp the socket and twist it counterclockwise. This unlocks it from the lamp housing, so don't force it. Pull the old bulb straight out. If it's halogen, avoid touching the glass with bare fingers because oils shorten life. Insert the new bulb with a firm push, aligning the tabs, and twist the socket clockwise until it seats. Once done, tuck the wiring back and prepare to reseat the lamp into the body aperture. You finish by reassembling and verifying function. Fit the lamp into the body, ensuring clips align, then reinstall screws or nuts and refit the trim panels. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and test tail, brake, and indicator lights right away. Have an assistant step on the brake. If a light doesn't work, first make sure the bulb is fully seated and the socket is clean. Then check the fuse and wiring connections before replacing parts. That troubleshooting tip saves time and unnecessary parts expense.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.